Students, today we learn sentence, subject, predicate, and verb. Subscribe for more videos. Sentence. Sentence is a group of words that expresses a complete thought, usually with a subject and a predicate, and it ends with a punctuation mark like a period, question mark, or exclamation point. For example, she reads books. Did you finish the report? Subject. Subject is the part of a sentence that tells you who or what the sentence is about, usually a noun, pronoun, or noun phrase that is the action or is being described. Example. She reads a book. Right pointing arrow, she, is the subject. The old tree swayed in the wind. Right pointing arrow, the old tree, is the subject. It's the core of the sentences, who, what, before the verb. Predicate. Predicate is the part of a sentence that tells us what the subject is or what state it's in. It usually includes the verb and any objects, complements, or modifiers that go with it. In, she writes a letter, the predicate is, writes a letter. In, the sky is clear, the predicate is clear. Verb. Verb is the word that shows what the subject is doing or what state it's in. It's the action, occurrence, or linking word in a sentence. Example, run, think, be. Thanks for watching the video. You can also ask any questions about English grammar. Subscribe.